Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You must start by confirming ownership and policy. Do not attempt technical work without permission. If the Chromebook is school property, contact the IT admin and explain why you need changes. Once done, gather proof of personal ownership if applicable, purchase receipts or serial numbers help. Make sure to note any relevant school policy language so you can reference it. This step prevents illegal or policy-violating actions and sets up a legitimate path forward with the right information. Reach out directly to the school's IT team with a clear, polite request. State the reason and include proof of ownership if you have it. Once done, ask for the official process for unenrolling or transferring the device, including any waiting periods or required returns. Make sure to request supervised removal rather than attempting bypasses. If the admin approves, follow their instructions exactly. This preserves warranties and avoids disciplinary or legal consequences while resolving the issue properly. If the IT team denies removal, explore alternatives such as approved loaner devices or a different account to separate personal use. Once done, do not attempt unauthorized resets. Only perform a factory power wash if explicitly permitted, because enrolled devices may reapply policies after re-enrollment. Make sure to document all communications in case you need to escalate to a teacher or administrator. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to stop and contact IT.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.